Hi there guys, welcome back to another video. As you can probably see by this footage, I'm using a different camera. I'm on a GoPro now. You can't actually see that very well. But I'm going to try you out on this. You have to let me know what it's like, audio, etc, etc. Anyway, back on topic. I did have a better plan for this video. I was hoping to do the wiring for my DRLs. They were working, but something happened and I had to take the wiring out again. I need to rewire them back up again. So that was my plan, but I have something a little bit less fun to do instead. As you've probably seen, one of my earlier videos is a starter motor video. And ever since then I've been having starter motor issues galore. I think this is now my 5th, possibly more, starter motor. In fact, I've actually got it down there. So I now need to fit that because mine just keeps burning out for some reason. I've got a guy I know just down the road, literally, and he breaks VW T4s, so he's always got them, 20 quid, slap it in, last a few months, put another one in. I can't figure out why it keeps doing it. I don't know if it's an electrical surge, I don't know, but every time I seem to have to do a starter motor, it's always nice and wet, so I never really get a chance to look properly. So what I'm going to do now is get the van off the driveway so that I can get the under tray off, which is another issue because one of the bolts in the under tray will not come out for love nor money. So it was the perfect excuse to buy another tool, another toy. I've got myself a angle grinder. As you've seen, Tom's had one and I've always used Tom's. Well, it's about time I bought my own because I've always needed one for odds and ends. So I went and bought one. I don't know if it's any good brand, don't know. It's a one from Screwfix, like 25 quid. Got a set of 5 cutting discs as well, like 30 quid all in. Yeah, let's get this van started. Let's get on with it. We'll talk about Dubster later. I don't know if you heard that, but the van just keeps turning over and it gets to a point where the actual starter itself absolutely stinks, where it's almost burning itself out. So I don't know why it does it. So that's it. I can now physically smell my starter motor stinking. I think we have a fire. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That right there. That is what keeps happening. Power. Let's disconnect all this. Because I do not want a fire. No, thank you. So I'm now going to have to attempt to do this on the drive. Battery disconnected. Hopefully that's not going to set on fire. Let's... Oh, I didn't want to be doing this. I don't know if you guys can actually see. My driveway is ever so slightly, slight. You can't really see it on the camera. So I'm going to have to jack this up because the bolt I need to get to, hopefully you guys are going to be able to see it, is that one at the back. So jack the front end of the van up so I can get underneath there. This van is not starting for love nor money. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to manage to do this because I've just remembered the jack is in the back of the van, which is completely butt up against the wall. Well, it's about an hour later now, and as you can see, tools, angle grinders, the van's jacked up. Yes, there is a axle stand under it, but the under tray is finally off. As you see, I have cut the edge of it off, and there it is up there. I will get that out at some point because obviously it's all sharp metal, but that's off, which means I can gain access to my starter. And there it is, the starter motor. I need to remove the earth off, the earth here off of the gearbox, and then there's these 3 bolts, one there, and one up on the top. Not sure if you quite make that out. And then there's some electricals on the side. There's that 13mm bolt, and just there somewhere is the signal wire. That comes out, new one goes in. So I'll probably try and put you on a time lapse or something. But yeah, that angle grinder came in handy. Well, there we go. Tidy up some of this real quick. There's the old one, as you can see. It's basically got so hot, it's melted everything. This looks like it's not even connected to the fuck all. Yeah, look, there we go. That's what all of them seem to do. That bit there gets so hot, which is like the, I don't even know. But that comes off. It's like, I mean, power wire. Power comes in here, tells the actuator to actuate, sends power here, spins, does things, and then this bit here comes out, connects to your flywheel. I don't know technical terms, but that there has melted off. That's how hot it's got. So, the new one, that's not melted off. New bolt, connector on the back. 3 bolts, put it back in. Exact opposite of how it came out. As you can see, it's a 2.5, same as this. So I'm going to put it back in, and I will see you once it's in. Well, well, there it is, back in. In fact, even I can't see it. So, where's it hidden so well? But yeah, it is in there. There it is. All I've done, in fact it is just started raining, is just put those couple of bolts back in, connect the earth up and all whatnot, and putting the battery back on. It's quite an easy job. I mean, I've done it way too many times already, but it is an easy job. Sorry, I had you in my mouth whilst I was tightening them up, but I feel that confident that I've done this, because unfortunately I have done it way too many times. Remove the jack stand. Whoa, that was sketchy. I think that sounded worse than it was. But the van is no longer up, because bet I left a dent on my door. Nope. Garage door paint holding up well. But I am very confident, there's the key, that this is going to work. I've got everything. I've even started packing all my tools away. So keys in. And wait for the lights to go out. There you go. Easy as that. See? I mean, I've done a starter motor way too many times, so it's second nature for me. But they are an easy job. Very easy. In fact, I'll show you how many times I've done this. Here's the one I just took out. There's another one. There's another 3, which have been outside, clearly. But that one hasn't got the... What's the state of that? That one hasn't got the little actuator. I can't remember what they're called. This thing. Oh, what are they called? Solenoid. That's it. This one hasn't got a solenoid. This one hasn't got the solenoid. This one has. There was something. Oh yeah, the earthing post is bent, but there's still some good bits on them. And because I've got the grinder, I can use the metal as practice for welding. So it's an easy. There is another one here somewhere. Just don't know where. Like I said, this one will be usable. Let's figure out something with that one. That one's got a solenoid on it. There is another one, definitely. Definitely another one in here somewhere. But I reckon I could probably take a solenoid off of that one and put it onto this one because the power wire looks right. So yeah, there's probably at least another 1 or 2 in here. So yeah, I've got a little collection of them now. But that's how easy it is. The hardest part was removing that under tray. But because I needed to cut it out, I've now got myself a nice cool tool. So I'm going to tidy all of this little lot up. Oh, I can finally get my airbox back on. I haven't had that on for ages because I've had to keep jump starting the van. And I've had to keep getting access to the power earthen thingy. My words aren't coming out very well today. But because I've had to get access to the terminals on the top of the battery, I haven't bothered putting the air intake back in for the cabin. So all I've been smelling is the exhaust bay. So there is supposed to be like a pollen filter on this. I need to get one of them actually. In fact, you guys can probably help if you can link me to one, because I can't seem to find them anywhere. So if you guys could help me and link me to one, that'd be very helpful. Hopefully the next video you see will be me doing something a bit more fun than a starter motor. Sorry it was a bit boring, just wanted to get this video out. And also I'm testing this camera out and the new editing software on my laptop. So I normally do it on my phone, which is back there somewhere. My phone and the editing software on that. So I'm going to try this out. Let me know what you think. If it's no good, I'll go back to that. Just let me know. And go check these guys out. Dubsta brand. Like I said, Facebook, Instagram, DUBSTA brand. Go check them out. Tell Ryan I sent you. Just go say hello, see what they got to offer. There's some good things they've got going on. There's a lot in the pipeline, so go check them out. Anyway, it's just started to chuck it down the rain. So I'm going to square up here, get everything sorted out, and get inside, get clean and get warm before picking the kids up in 15 minutes. So if you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go smash that subscribe button. Take it easy, guys.